Finally guys, may bago na naman tayong makeup palette from the local scene. These are new makeup palettes guys from Strokes. Very buttery, very pigmented, and ang ganda rin yung lapat niya sa eyelid. Anyways, gamitin natin ito sa ating makeup look today. Medyo babaihan tayo ngayon. Ayoko sana mag-focus masyado sa eyeshadow nila kasi this is only limited edition. Pero kasi ang sarap gamitin ng eyeshadow nila guys. It's very buttery and nag-show off agad yung pigment niya. Pero yeah, if mahilig kayo sa mga gantong color story, you might want to grab this kasi again, it's limited edition. Ito tayo sa face palette nila guys. Na-try ko na to and ang ganda. Ito yung mas favored kong palette guys. Talagang gamit na gamit ko siya. Hindi ko ma-explain pero ayan, ganyan itsura niya. I don't know if mina-market nila to as blurring pero it's blurring kahit blush siya. This is before and this is after. Mas blurred. It's very seamless guys and hindi ko na siya kailangan effortan. I can also add a little bit of shimmer para lang pang topper dito. Charan! Ang ganda ng color ng palette na to guys. Ang ganda rin ng palette nito guys.